Julie Dondon Patidongan, or alias Totoy, had his first live interview on 1PH with our Cheryl Cosim. That's our big story tonight, which we will bring you in just a bit. Do stay tuned for that.
Meantime, Julie Patidongan's statements on One Balita Pilipinas this afternoon may just have given the camp of businessman Atong Ang another reason to sue.
Listening to your interview, dadagdagan namin ang kasong ipa-file namin because of all the lies that he said in your interview. All lies. Baka i-cyber libel namin rin yan.
Just this morning, the gambling tycoon personally went to the Mandaluyong City Prosecutor's Office to file 5 complaints against Patidongan. That's grave coercion, slander, robbery, attempted robbery, and incriminating an innocent person. Aside from Patidongan, Ang also filed charges against a certain Alan Bantiles, another former employee of the gambling tycoon known in their circle as Mr. Brown. According to Ang's affidavit, Bantiles served as Patidongan and Ang's go-between and convinced the businessman to pay alias Totoy millions of pesos in severance. Patidongan was the former security head of Manila Arena, which Ang operated. The money was supposed to ensure that Ang will not be implicated in Patidongan's affidavit for submission to the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group, or CIDG.
Gusto ko lang at least maging transparent lang na andito na ako. Gusto ko lumabas lahat ng katotohanan. Ang side namin, hindi nila naririnig. So, kaya kami nandito na nga ngayon. At least, yun lang, tignan natin kung saan pupunta. Sila na makakapagpaliwanag. Siguro, magkakaroon naman ng kaso. Magkakaroon ng tanungan sa husgado. Ang husgado na siguro ang makakapag-desisyon dyan. Masyado na kaming kawawa, pero walang kriminal sa amin. Walang kriminal. So, yun lang masasabi ko lang. Nung eleksyon, humingi pa siya ng 12 million, binigyan ko pa ng 12 million. May mga resibo ko dyan, dineposit namin sa account nila. Mayor. Pag hindi mo tinulungan, ang dami sinasabi na kung ano eh. Hindi ko kasi alam na aabot sa ganito ang problema kasi hindi naman kami mga salbahing tao na magpapahamak ako ng mga tao. Hindi ko kasi ugali yun eh. Kung kaya ko isolve sa sarili ko, isosolve ko. Huwag ka na magsinungaling. Tinuri kita parang anak ko eh. Hindi ko alam na ganyan kakasama. Pati ako, papatayin mo pa ako. Ang punot dulo talaga nito, pera eh.
Now here's that interview, Julie Dondon Patidongan, or alias Totoy, telling all in his first live interview on TV. One of his revelations, more than 100 sabongeros have been abducted and possibly killed, not just 34 as earlier reported. Our Cheryl Cosim with tonight's big story.
Mahal na Pangulo, tulungan nyo naman ako sa sitwasyon na ganito at alam ko hindi basta-bastang tao itong kaharap ko ngayon.
Julie Patidongan made this appeal as he told his side of the story to One Balita Pilipinas on 1PH. He was the head of security of Manila Arena. Julie came forward as alias Totoy to testify that several sabongeros who went missing over the last few years have long been dead and buried deep in Taal Lake in Batangas. Initial reports quoted him as saying that at least 30 suffered this fate. But in our interview, alias Totoy claimed there were more victims, a lot more.
108.
Anong matibay na hawak mong ebidensya laban kina dito sa mga sinasabi mo na sangkot nga sa missing sabongeros?
May mga butcher ako na binabayad dyan sa mga pulis na yan. May mga butcher ako, ang mali lang nila, hindi lang nila nakuha yung butcher sa akin. May mga pizza, may mga taon, at may mga tao at may pirma kung sinong kumuha. Naitago ko yung USB na sinabi niya sa akin, sunugin para walang ebidensya.
Patidongan pointed to businessman and gambling industry tycoon Atong Ang as the mastermind behind the killings.
Mr. Atong Ang, yan lang masasabi ko sa iyo. Huwag ka magtago sa katotohanan. Alam mo to, ikaw mismo nag-utos sa akin at ikaw mismo ang nagsabi dyan sa grupo ng mga pulis na iligpit na yan. Paano mo sabihin na hindi ko alam? 15 years, almost 15 years na tayo nagsama. Bakit sabihin mo, ako pa ngayon nagsisinungaling?
The so-called whistleblower who now wants to turn state witness added Ang's witnesses were actually also involved in the mysterious disappearances of the cockfighting enthusiasts.
Kumuha ka pa ng witness na yung nagbitbit sa missing sabongero, yung nakapula kanina na sa likod mo, na si Rogelio Toto Borican, at saka yung nakasombrero na naka-white, na si Rodelo Anigig, sila ang bumitbit.
He also said some uniformed personnel were also involved in the case. People of power allegedly conspired to stage the massive crime without leaving a trace. Ano ang pinakamataas na posisyon ng pulis na ito? Ilan silang pulis?
Colonel, Major, Kapitan. Yan. At may mga sibilyan.
Patidongan went on to say that Atong Hang had offered him a fortune in exchange for his silence.
Padala ng sulat niya na rekantasyon para pirmahan ko kapalit ng 500 million halaga. Ngayon, binaliktad niya dahil hindi ko tinanggap, dahil hindi kaya ng konsensya ko at namatayan.
After this, Patidongan said he stumbled upon the plan to kill him and his family because of every that he knew about the missing sabongeros.
Pinaliparan na ako ng drone at saka may patong na ako sa ulo, 50 million, Cyril. Kaya yan si Mr. Atong Hang, gusto niya ubusin yung pira niya. Magmamalinis lang siya.
It was fear for his life and his family that prompted Julie to come forth and recount what for him really happened.
Okay lang sana na ako lang yung patay niya. Tanggap ko yun. Pero ubusin niya yung pamilya ko, hindi ko matanggap yan.
After all these revelations and everything on the line for him now, alias Totoy can only wait. He said all the pieces of evidence in his possession are now with the Department of Justice. He has appealed repeatedly to his former boss Atong Ang. He is also waiting for actress Gretchen Barreto to say something and corroborate his statements. Patidongan can't say for certain about the extent of Barreto's involvement in the Sabongeros' disappearance. All he know, Totoy claimed, she was not kept in the dark.
Gretchen Barreto, Alpha yan, membro yan ng Alpha. Pangalawa, katabi yan mismo niya matulog. Imposible, wala siyang alam. Kaya ako nanawagan kay Ma'am Gretchen. Kumare ko naman din yan. Madam Gretchen, parang awa mo na rin sa sarili mo. Kung gusto mo, tumistigo ka na rin. Para mapatunayan natin, total, lagi ka nagsisimba, lagi ka nagdadasal, maawa ka naman sa pamilyang nawawala ng pamilyang nawawala.
Reporting for 1PH and News 5, I am Cheryl Quasim. We are One News.